Here's one for the Mustang fans, and it is a head turner. Wow, and wait till we start this thing up and let you hear it run. It's a 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe. I'd put this one in the Restomod category. Underneath the hood, 347 Windsor. That's paired up with a T5 manual 5-speed transmission, power brakes, AC blows cold, heater works also, blows hot. Take a look at this front end, that just looks menacing. That big chin spoiler, more modern headlamps, turn signals, driving lights, that blacked out grille. All right, still pictures, so you can see this thing from every angle. Take your time looking through it, it's beautiful. Undersides, interior, engine bay, trunk, all those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Great looking wheel in this car with the tri-bar spinners. Vintage wheel works. And as you can see behind there, disc brakes on this one at all 4 corners, drilled and slotted rotors, and I believe it's the same way in the rear. We'll get there in a second. How nice and straight these panels are. Paint shows well, nice shine to it. I guess as the kids say, the murdered out trim on it, so it's a flat black trim. Note tinted windows, rear and side, so know your local and state laws as far as darkness of tint that you can have, percentage. There's those rear disc brakes also. Look at the reflection in that paint. Like I said, this one will turn some heads. I have a feeling this one will take home trophies for you. That's what you're looking to do. All right, now you want to know information on the build, pictures. There's literally three ring binders that are going to go along with this. There's too much information. I'll try to hit on the main important key features. I'm going to send with a Mustang t-shirt and car cover. That will go back in the car with those three ring binders. Long tube headers, X-pipe and mufflers, and you can see dual exhaust coming out the rear. Has a Ford 9-inch posi rear end with a 350 rear gear ratio. And listen to this, power windows, power locks with a key fob to the locks, that's all working. Wipers and washer works. Technician noted it brakes straight, 95% in the front, as well as the rear, as far as percentage of brakes to have left, and we've already went through, it's 4-wheel disc. And then again, the car cover, the 3 binders, receipts, miscellaneous information, pictures, too much to list in just this video. Great looking cowl hood on this car. If you're a Mustang fan, or maybe you like street rods, you like cars in general, here's a prime example why you should subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. You can see no major nicks, dings, scratches. How straight those panels are. Let's take a look at this interior, which is also all custom. Just two-tone seats with the pony interior. Matching inserts in the door panels. Trunk release. I'll show you how easy that works. I just pop the trunk. Should pull it all the way up, I suppose. There we go. There's how easy it is. You just have to pull it all the way up. Full-size spare. Been into here yet, but let's check it out. There it is. It's a nice battery box. Battery shut off also. I'm just gonna lay that for there now, and we'll tighten it back up when we're done checking this thing over. And as you can see, no rips, tears, holes, really anywhere in the seats at all. Great headliner in this. That is not going to come down on you. Aftermarket gauge cluster, nicely done. Kind of a center gauge cluster on the dash with the vacuum and the tack, tilt column. All right, you ready for the best part? This thing sounds like a beast. Again, 347 Windsor. Voltmeter water temp. That was a cold start. We're going to let it warm up here a little bit. Looks like 3,503 on that odometer. So that could be since the build or since that gauge was put in. But oil pressure, obviously up there. Fuel gauge working. Vacuum. Tachometer working. Retro sound style radio. Your AC and heater controls, all like your factory originals. Listen to this. All right, let me pause this a second. I want to get this hood open so we can check out this engine bay. And then, like I said, stick around to the very end of this video. Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. All right, hood is open. Just so you know, the hood release right below the bottom of that grill. Pull it out, lift the hood. Worked very slick. Look at this engine bay. Strut tower brace, as you can see, aluminum radiator, Edelbrock intake manifold, Holley 4-barrel. Not gonna lie, I want to take this one for the test drive. Maybe I should go do the video in it. It's a 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe. Like I said, I'd put this one in the Restomod category. 347 Windsor, manual 5-speed, power brakes, AC's cold. Nicely equipped, beautifully done. 3 binders are gonna go with it. Call us, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Oh, that is fantastic.
Jesus. Running on empty? Fuel up with us, George and Jeremy on Motorhood.
Jesus.
Tune in on YouTube where we dive into cars.
Who cares if it's hard on gas?
Our showroom,
One of 114.
and beyond. New episodes every week, only on Motorhood.
Today we're riding in a beautiful 1965 Ford Mustang. A little bit of custom touches on this one. Well done. In black on the exterior, black and silver, might say, on the inside. 5-speed manual right here between the seats. That center console also has cup holders, power window switches, and storage. We have a tachometer from Autometer right here, a vacuum gauge as well. All our gauges are Autometer, which is a good thing. Let's get out on the road. Third gear, not even revving her up much. Got up to the speed limit. Let's get fifth for some cruising. Nice low RPM cruising. Volts are charging at 14. The temperature is 190. About 55 miles an hour. Oil pressure 65 PSI, and the fuel gauge is working, showing almost 3/4 of a tank. We have a digital stereo on the dash. AC's blowing cold in this car on a hot day, believe it or not, in Minnesota. Wipers work. Comfortable seats, bucket seats in this car. Well done with the styling throughout. Tinted windows working well with that black paint. Cowl induction hood, also functional with an open element air cleaner. You can see if you look real close. Let's go down to second gear for the traffic circle. Corner's nice and flat as well. And sounding great. Now that's appears to be a police officer, even though it's rusty. I'm not gonna pass him, just in case. Take a look at all the pictures of this beautiful 1965 Ford Mustang at uniqueclassiccars.com.